Hey guys, this is a gun enthusiast. So I got the Kershaw League, and I got this a while back at the gun show. Never done a review on it, guys. And this is one of Kershaw's knives that are pretty popular. It's been around for a while, guys. So anyway, guys, it is the model 1660 ST. It is a King Union design, made in the USA. Here's some of the specs. The blade is 3 inches, weighs about 3 ounces, closes about 4 inches, overall length is 7 inches. It is spring assistant. Now it does have the handle. Everything is steel on this knife, guys. The handle, the body is steel. So the body is 1410 stainless steel, and the blade is 14C28N steel. It does have a frame lock, a little different from a liner lock, but it's just a frame lock, guys. Uses the frame to lock the blade. It does have a hole there for a lanyard. It's got a little bit of jimping, guys. Not much, but it's got a little bit of jimping there. It's got a pocket clip, guys. It is reversible, tip up, tip down. Now, it does have a flipper and the thumb studs. So you can either use the thumb studs to open it. It's just as easy, guys. Or you can use the flipper to open it, guys. So guys, it does have a safety here. Right there, guys, that if you wish to close the blade or lock the blade, you just push it, and now you can't open it. All you gotta do is just push it back to the right, and now you can open it. So the blade, it is a combo edge, which is partly serrated blade. So other than that, guys, this is my quick review on the Kershaw League. Little comparison real quick, guys. Also sweet at the bottom. Kershaw League at the top. Obviously the Also Sweet is just slightly bigger. Kershaw League is pretty thin, guys. So guys, I do appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe.